Okay, this is what we have. We have a scenario like this. So price is at this level, as you can see. We're expecting to see price get to this level, and then we get to see a drop. Okay, it's 9.780, and also at the same time here, but we are expecting our stop loss to be here. Okay, and also at the same time here. But if you look at this scenario that we have here, okay, so I don't expect this position to be a long position going upwards. I think price is just gonna respect this and continue to go down when it gets to this level. So what I can suggest you can do, if you have your buy limit here, when price get to this level, make sure that when it move pull back, make sure you secure some of your profit. You put take profit, SL in profit, I mean, just to lock your funds so that when if price maybe wants to come and collect what is here, you are safe. Okay, so this is gonna be our main setup that we gonna be looking at. Okay, and also this is gonna be our main setup. So as for this setup here, it's something that I'm skeptical about it. Why? Because we have something here, so price will just respect it a little bit and then continue to go down. Okay, so those are the possible scenarios that can actually happen here. So to avoid that is either you avoid to use a buy limit or simply wait for price to get to this level and simply wait to see what price is doing when it gets to this level. Okay, so that you get to wait for confirmation. Okay, so you can just wait for confirmation and see what price is doing, or simply it depends in based on your principles of trading and stuff like that. So if maybe you have strict principle, you don't mind missing a trade and stuff like that, just like me, you can just ignore this setup and actually wait for price to get to this level. And when price get to this level, you make money. So because one of the reason I don't trade anything that I'm not sure of, or if I see that there is a case, maybe something might happen, I don't trade. So that's how I'm very selective when it comes to picking up trades. So it's unfortunately that's an individual thing that you need to learn over the years as you are trading and stuff like that with your experiences and stuff like that. So this is what we have, guys. It's the dollar index, and the reason why I'm looking at the dollar index first before I get to look at anything, I look at the dollar index based on what we have been talking about. We know that the dollar index is the most influential pair in the foreign exchange market. So if this dollar index get to these all these three significant level that we are looking at, if it gets to all these three significant level or any of these significant levels that we are looking at, we definitely know that we're going to be having a lot of opportunities in other pairs such as GBP USD and Euro USD and other currency pairs. And even in the stock market, we're going to be having a lot of opportunities. So that is why most of the time I focus on the dollar index. And I always advise you guys to focus on the dollar index, look at the dollar index before you can get to analyze other pairs. The first pair you need to look at it is the dollar index because that's where you get to understand what is actually happening in the market. So these are the significant level that we are looking at. When price get to this level, we're gonna take advantage of it, okay? And make sure you use your proper risk management. Just use your proper risk management and you keep trading and you keep making money. Don't do this thing of risking like you are crazy. Trust me, you cannot be 100% on the market. What you can do, you can only control your risk appetite. Okay, so just control your risk appetite because what the market will do here is not something that we can really control. Although we have high chances of being successful in the past, but it doesn't mean that we're going to be successful. So always keep in mind when you are trading forex. Okay, keep in mind what matters is your risk management and also the skill a little bit, but you can have the skill, but without risk management, trust me, you're not gonna do anything. So without any waste of time, as we have been looking at the dollar index, now I'm gonna move to other pairs and then we look at other pairs and we start to discuss and stuff like that. make sure that if you have any question in our groups and everything, get to interact. If you see something different that I did not see, or you have noticed something that I didn't notice, you can just send me an inbox. I'm always available. And also you can if you have any pair that you think maybe we need to discuss it, or maybe you see something on that pair, you are welcome to actually tell me about that pair and give me the time frame and stuff like that. Then I will go and look at that pair and I'll give you what is happening. Okay, so shalom.